Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. Friends, in this video I'll be sharing very beautiful, very pretty, easy to make hand embroidered face mask designs. Yes friends, you have heard it right, that in this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish, delicate, decent, elegant, new, trendy, fashionable design ideas of how you can embroider your masks, and the basic and the most important topic that a specific color have been chosen for the entire video collection, and that color is black. Yes friends, you are seeing a lot of very pretty and beautiful face masks that are made entirely by using hand embroidery stitches. You can design these masks by sitting at your homes by following these color combinations and exactly these patterns. They are very easy and mostly they are composed of 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches only. The basic purpose of sharing this video collection with you is to encourage to enforce you, to persuade you to kindly please do take care of your health, because your health is important than anything else in this world. Yes friends, please take care of yourselves, pay focused attention onto yourselves, and kindly make a habit of wearing masks while leaving out for any sort of basic necessity or important work reasons. Friends, my today's video is a bit longer than my previous videos, but don't go anywhere, and I bet and I suggest you that you will see amazing and eye-catching ideas and you will not be bored. You will be entertained throughout the whole video. But going into the further and deeper details of these face masks, the designing ideas, embroidery patterns, embroidery thread, embroidery stitches, and the making strategies, before that I have a simple request to you that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet and you are new to my channel, or you are watching my channel's videos for the first time, then friends, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, because on my channel you can see a wide variety of numerous number of very pretty and stylish, creative, DIY, fashionable, women related things like face masks, hats, crochet made stuff, dresses designing, sweater designs, footwear, handmade baby footwear, baby dress designing, proper and detailed hand embroidery tutorials, stitching guide, stitching design ideas, each and every sort of dress design ideas like Turkish style, Western style, European style, Arabic style, Pakistani traditional, Indian traditional designer wear, and much more. Girls fashionable accessories like mobile phone covers, handmade hand embroidered stuffs, original gemstones, their horoscopic point of view, genuinely common, some pretty jewelry design ideas. So friends, I hope that I was pretty much good enough to persuade you and to convince you to subscribe my channel and watch my content and watch my videos on daily basis. We try our best to share classy, amazing, stylish and new ideas on daily basis with you guys. And similarly, we expect some love, interest and your focused attention as a result. And kindly massively do share our videos with your friends and family. Comment below the video so that we could get an idea of your choices, interests. With this, now let's move back to the details of our video. Now friends, we will talk about some important things. First of all, why these masks are favorable for you, because these masks are customized, having initial capital name letters as well. You can give them to your loved ones with the customized initial name letters, and you can make these entire very beautiful and intricate patterns with enriched canvas of embroideries by using machine embroidery as well. If you don't know the art of hand embroidery, or you are not a lover of hand embroidery and you prefer machine embroidery over hand embroidery. So this video is basically a creative DIY 2-in-1 embroidery design patterns for you. If we talk about the reliability and usability of these face masks, then the answer to this confusion and question is also again very easy, that these masks are soft, lightweight, 100% linen based, with nose wire and adjustable elastic ear straps, 3-layered with inner filter pocket. They are soft, lightweight, comfortable, reusable, washable, and you can wear them throughout your whole day easily and comfortably. With this, friends, allow me to leave. I will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas and trendy design patterns. Up till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and keep supporting us as you always have been. Keep watching our content, keep loving us, and we will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. If you are unable to find beautiful and your favorite design ones, then kindly go to my channel's playlist face mask designs, and from there you can watch thousands of very pretty and beautiful face mask design ideas. So stay connected, stay tuned, we will soon be back. Thank you so much for watching my content.